Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my gungo rice and peas. So in this container right here, I have my coconut ready to be blended. I'm going to throw it in my blender in lukewarm water. The reason why I use the warm water is to get all the nice juices out of this coconut. You use cold water, what I noticed with it blends, and while it's blending, it's like forming like it's sleeping up, like when they say, oh, it's sleep up on the blender, so you don't get that nice juice, milky juice out of it. So again guys, I'm going to be using warm water to blend my coconut. Right in the pot right here, I have my gungo, and this is the green gungo that I'm using. I'm going to use the dry one day and show you guys how I make it also with the dry one. But this one here is the green one. So I have it already cooking for about 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and blend my coconut, and then I'm going to throw my coconut milk in. I'm going to add my scallion, my thyme. I'm going to also add a Scotch bonnet pepper whole, just to get that nice flavor from that Scotch bonnet pepper, and add my salt to taste. I'm going to go now and blend my coconut. Guys, I'm going to come back and show you when I put it in the whole nine. Alright, stay tuned. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. Okay guys, stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so welcome back. I finished blending my coconut, so now I'm gonna pour my coconut milk in. And I just want you guys to see so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my seasoning. Go ahead and squeeze this some. I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasoning, my scallion, my thyme, my salt, and I'm gonna cover this and let my peas finish cooking, because I like when my my peas is cooked with my coconut. So I started it and it was boiling for about 10 minutes. So now I'm adding my coconut milk so that my peas can finish cooking. Okay, all right. Wash my hair a little bit. And I already have my scallion washed, so I'm putting it whole in the pot. The reason why I'm putting it whole is because I want to be able to remove it before I start serving my rice. And I'm adding a Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm gonna grab my salt into this, and again, add your salt to taste. So I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon to this size pot that I'm using. I don't like a lot of salt, but just enough to taste. So I'm adding a teaspoon of salt. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cover my pot, and I'm gonna let my peas finish cooking. Once I'm adding my rice, guys, I'm gonna come back and show you when I'm adding the rice. Okay, so stay tuned guys, I will be back shortly. Okay. My pot. Alright, stay tuned guys, I'll be back. Hey guys, welcome back. So my peas is ready, my coconut milk. I removed the scallion and the thyme like I told you guys I was gonna do. Now I'm gonna add my rice. So to this I'm adding about, this is 3 cups of jasmine rice. Okay, that I'm adding here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stir in my rice to make sure that my peas and rice is combined properly, and my peas is not just in one area and my rice in one area. So I'm going to make sure that it's combined properly. Okay. Alright. So again guys, this is my green gungo rice and peas, and my fresh coconut milk that I blend myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a few minutes, and once it starts boiling, I'm going to turn it down to between medium and low and cover it and just let it sit, let it cook. Okay, and once the water is completely dry out of it, then I'm going to turn it down to low to make sure that my rice grain is steamed, cooked properly. Okay guys, so I'm going to come back in a few and show you guys the finished product. Okay, again guys, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, for those who subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys will be notified once I upload a new video. Again guys, this is my gungo rice and peas. Now it's boiling. I'm gonna let it boil a little bit, start boiling up a little bit more, and then I'm gonna reduce the heat under it so my rice doesn't get burned. It's, you know, and my rice is properly cooked. Guys, I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back. So my rice and peas is done, and this is what it looks like. And again, this is my green gungo rice and peas that I made for you today. Okay, and as always guys, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and again, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Take care guys.